Good morning. Today's topics are applications of C++ and how to install C++ editor. Now first we are going to start applications of C++, that is uses of C++ programming language. Mainly C++ language is used for develop desktop application and system software. Here we are discuss some applications of C++ language. First application is C++ language is used for develop graphical related application like computer and mobile games. Second application is C++ language is used to evaluate any kind of mathematical equation, example polynomial equation, quadratic equation, etc. Third application is C++ language are also used for design operating system like Windows XP, DIX operating system, Windows 95, Windows 98, etc. Fourth application is Google use C++ programming language for indexing. Fifth application is in C++ programming language, few parts of Apple OS are written. Next application is internet browser are written in C++ programming language. Next application of C++ programming language is all major applications of Adobe systems are developed like Photoshop, ImageReady and Adobe Premiere. Next is some of the Google applications are also written in C++, including Google File System and Google Chromium. And the last application of C++ programming language is used for design database like MySQL. So these are the uses or applications of C++ programming language. Next topic is how to install C++ editor. Installation of TC is very simple. Just download Turbo C++ and run .exe file. When you install the Turbo C++ compiler on your system, then TC directory is created on the hard disk and various subdirectories such as beak, include, bean and lib are created under TC. The subdirectory beak contain graphics related files. The next subdirectory include contain the header files of C++. Next subdirectory bean contains .exe and obj files, and the last subdirectory lib contain the library files of C++. Now next we will discuss here TC editor. When double click on Turbo C++ icon, blue screen will appear. This is called TC editor. TC editor is very simple and easy to use. Here I will give you all the tips related to TC editor and some shortcut keys related to TC editor, which is very useful at the time of coding. Turbo C++ is a most common C++ language compiler. The interface of a Turbo C++ is very simple. When IDE screen appears, now this blue screen is called also a IDE. This is called as an integrated development environment. This screen, the menu bar is activated. It contains various menus such as file menu, edit menu, search menu, run menu, compile menu, debug menu, project menu, options menu, Windows menu and help menu. Now we are here we discuss one by one what is the use of file menu. Now file menu, this menu contains group of commands used for save, edit, print, program, exit from Turbo C++ editor, etc. And the next menu is edit menu. This menu contains group of commands used for editing C++ program source code. For example, copy, cut, paste, undo. And the next menu is search menu. This menu contains group of commands used for searching specific word as well as replacing it with another one. Next menu is run menu. This menu contains group of commands used for running C++ program. Next menu is compile menu. This menu contains group of commands used for compiling C++ program. And the next menu is the debug menu. This menu contains group of commands used for debugging C++ program. Next menu is a project menu. This menu contains group of commands used for opening, closing and creating projects. Next menu is option menu. This menu contains group of commands used for configuring IDE of Turbo C++ and setting up directories. Next menu is a window menu. This menu contains group of commands used for opening, closing various windows of IDE. And the last menu is help menu. This menu is used to get help about the specific topic of C++ language. Similarly, to get help about a specific keyword or identifier of C. So these are the menus of TC editor. Now here some of the shortcut keys related to TC editor. The first shortcut key is ALT, alternate key, plus X. This shortcut key is used for close TC editor. Next shortcut key is Control plus F9. This shortcut key is used for run C++ program. Next shortcut key is ALT plus F9. This shortcut key is used for compile C++ code. Next shortcut key is ALT plus enter. This shortcut key is used for get full screen or half screen TC editor. Next shortcut key is a control plus key. This shortcut key is used for delete complete above line of cursor. Next shortcut key is shift plus right arrow. This shortcut key is used for select a line of code. Next shortcut key is a control plus insert. This shortcut key is used for copy. Next shortcut key is a shift insert. This shortcut key is used for paste. And the last shortcut key is shift plus delete. This shortcut key is used for delete. Now these are the shortcut keys related to the TC editor. Now next is a compiler in C++. Now you see the diagram. Now simply we define compiler is a system software which converts programming language code into binary format in a single steps. Now in other words, compiler is a system software which can take input from any programming language and convert it into lower level machine dependent language. Now this is about the compiler in C++.